Once you've selected the preset, acquire your image and place the area of interest near the center of the B mode image. Tap the plus icon, then tap on M mode. The cursor will appear on the frozen B mode image. Optimize the M mode cursor position by simply dragging your finger on the image left or right to move the M mode cursor. If at any time you're not happy with your image, tap and hold on the image screen to view the live image and adjust your view. Or you can return to B mode by tapping the color icon, acquire your image, and return to M mode. Now let's make a distance measurement. Tap the vertical distance icon and position the calipers. The system will display the vertical distance. Tap the store icon to save. Select the horizontal time interval measurement here. Position the calipers and measure the desired time interval. Note that the time interval will be displayed as well as the heart rate with the number of beats used in the heart rate calculation. Store the image. For the slope measurement, in the same way as before, moving the calipers by dragging with your finger and measure the desired slope. Store to save the image with the measurement.